Hey guys, today we're here for the unboxing of the Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive. We decided to go with the Hawaiian edition so that we knew what color we were getting. We also decided to go with this truck because it came in a 1/10 scale, and I wanted a bigger toy. It is two-wheel drive because I really don't need any better traction on asphalt. This model doesn't come with a wall charger, so we decided to order a AC/DC power converter so it could charge it from the wall, and also we ordered an extra battery. This model came with the car, the shell, some tools, the wall charger, 4 clips to keep the shell on the car, and the remote. Now that I set it up, let's go try it out. It is pretty responsive in the training mode.